Hey, this is Matthew Explosion, and I'm finally getting to my birthday presents from my brother. He got me a bunch of Final Fantasy boosters. So I'm going to open up the first one, and I got some collector boosters too. Let's see what we got. Okay, we got a Slash of Light, Red Mage's Rapier, Black Mage's Rod, our Airship Crash, Retrieve the Esper, Hill Gigas, Monk's Fist, Kuja Mage Manufacturer, also known as Inala Archmage Ritualist, Ash Prince of Damalska, Circle of Power, Thieves' Knife, Rare Astrologian's Planisphere. We got a foil Unexpected Request, a foil Insomnia Crown City, and a hero Bird token.